Welcome to our BANGSON Fridge Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison of two popular small refrigerators. The BANGSON 4.0 Cu.Ft small refrigerator with freezer and the BANGSON Fridge. We'll explore their features, capacity, and pricing to help you determine which one is the best fit for your home or office. Let's get started. The BANGSON 4.0 Cu.Ft small refrigerator offers a compact design suitable for small spaces, providing a total capacity of 4.0 cubic feet. In contrast, the BANGSON Fridge boasts a larger capacity of 7.7 cubic feet, making it a more suitable option for those needing extra storage. This significant difference in capacity can impact your choice depending on your refrigeration needs. When it comes to dimensions, the BANGSON 4.0 Cu.Ft model measures 17.9 inches wide, 18.3 inches deep, and 45 inches tall, making it ideal for tight spaces. On the other hand, the BANGSON Fridge is larger, measuring 21.5 inches wide, 21.5 inches deep, and 56 inches tall. While the larger model offers more storage, it may require more space in your kitchen or dorm. Price is another crucial factor to consider. The BANGSON 4.0 Cu.Ft small refrigerator is priced at $213, making it an affordable option for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the BANGSON Fridge is priced at $329, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. Depending on your budget and needs, this price difference may influence your decision. In conclusion, both the BANGSON 4.0 Cu.Ft small refrigerator and the BANGSON Fridge have their unique advantages. If you're looking for a compact and budget-friendly option, the 4.0 Cu.Ft model is a great choice. However, if you need more space and are willing to invest a bit more, the BANGSON Fridge is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.